Alright, this video is going to be shot on my iPhone because I'm too lazy to set up all the camera gear in the kitchen. So what I'm going to do is show you how I make a shake. It's about 1,000 calories. It's 10:45. This will take me about half an hour to drink. I drink it every night. It's my 4th or 5th meal depending on what I've ate in the day, but 1,000 calories when I'm eating 3,500, 4,000 calories. It's a good chunk. It is the difference between me losing weight at say 2,500 calories a day or 3,000 calories, 3,000 calories a day, and me gaining weight at a surplus. 3,500, like I said, 4,000 calories a day. So ingredients, I'm gonna go through it. I make it. It doesn't take long at all. First thing you need is bananas. I eat a ton of bananas, so I have like just bunches here. And I live alone, so I will finish all those. It's also like coronavirus is going on right now, so people are kind of stocking up, but honestly that's not too much more than what I normally have on hand. So first thing in the blender is a banana. And depending on if you can have any other fruit, if you can't have strawberries or blueberries or any sort of like frozen mixed berries of that kind, raspberries, then you could just throw 2 bananas in. But I can have berries, so I've got some strawberries on hand. Nothing special. And I put like, I don't know, depending on the size of the strawberries, like if they're medium or large, I'll put like 5 or 6 good sized strawberries in. This bag is awful. I already have this open. I might have already had this open. Just look close. I don't think so. Okay. So there's like, can you see that? No, you can't really see that. It's like 7 small, I'll throw like a couple more in. Like 10 small strawberries. I'll show you it before I blend it too. So strawberries, bananas, that's kind of like, that's like the flavor. That's not really a lot of calories. The banana's like 120, the strawberries are probably like 80 or something. But it's not a lot. Okay, now for the calories. Egg whites. So you can get these at any grocery store. Egg whites, it's like $5 for a container. This is like a kilogram, which is like 2.2 pounds. And I pour like, I'll show you after I pour it. But usually about half of this, so like 1 pound. So if you buy the little ones, which are half size, you pour the full thing in. And that's all, yeah, that's about what I do. I got 2 out because there's 2 open, but you can kind of see, I basically fill it up to kind of the top of where the banana and strawberries are sitting. So that's protein, so that's like, that'll be like, depending on, I gotta measure it, so probably 40 grams of protein, something like that, maybe 50 if I pour it heavy, but that's probably 40. So 40 grams of protein. The next thing we need is oats. So quick oats, like from Quaker. This is like super cheap. I do like a cup. So 1 cup. And 1 cup I think is like 300 calories. 330 calories right there. So pretty quick calories. Some people, oats bother their stomach. Personally, not for me. If you get quick oats or 1 minute oats, they're not too bad. If you got like steel cut oats or something, I could see how they'd be like tough on your stomach. But yeah, we got the egg whites in there. The egg whites, again, they're raw, but they're like pasteurized because they have to be pasteurized to be sold, at least in like Canada or America. Sorry, the lighting is so bad in here. Is that better? Super dark. I don't know. It doesn't taste bad. You don't taste the egg whites. It doesn't. That shake does not taste like egg. So if you're like, ew, that's gross, because most people are until they try it. It's not bad at all. What are we missing here? One thing I sometimes do, what I do in the past few days, I have so much protein powder, but I have this blend here from True Nutrition. It's unflavored protein powder, and it's paleo. So it's made of, like, I can't have like milk or cheese, butter. It really bothers my stomach. And it bothers a lot of other people's stomach with Crohn's or UC. So this has beef protein isolate and sweet potato powder and egg white protein. So beef, sweet potatoes, and egg whites, which are already in there kind of. But the powder helps it make like a little bit thicker, but also it's a lot more dense. So I like the egg whites. You could do 2 scoops of this powder and do no egg whites if you decide like egg whites are gross or whatever, but they're not gross. When you try it, you'll believe me. You'll be like, if you believe me, you'll find out they're not that bad. But I put some egg whites in because it helps it blend. If you do the powder, like 2 scoops of powder, you're going to need to add a bunch of water. This formula, you don't need any water. So I just added like 1 scoop. You can get it flavored if you want. Like you can get like this TrueNutrition.com. They're not like a sponsor or anything. I've been using them for a long time. You can basically make your own blend also. Choose from like protein and carb sources that work with your stomach, and it's super affordable. Like 1 pound is like $8, and I think this is a pound. Yeah, this is 1 pound. So I've got like a 5-pound jug over there, and then like a 10-pound bag in there too. So I've got a lot to go through. But they have so many flavors, and I'm not going to put that in yet, actually, because I want to blend it a little bit. Because sometimes if you put the powder in, it takes a second to blend. So I'm going to blend it first, and then I'm going to put the powder in after I blend this just a little bit. So hang on. In, but this time I kind of forgot. So it's thick off the start because the frozen strawberries kind of stick together as soon as you put them in with the egg whites. That's better. I'm going to put this scoop in. I should have positioned the camera so that you can see it, but I figure I'm talking enough anyways, so you should be able to imagine what's going on. So what do we have so far? We got fruits, which is like 200 to 250 calories. We got this scoop of, it's 1 cup of oats. So let's say 250 plus 330, let's just say 350. So 200 plus 300, 500 plus 50, 600. And then we got like, I don't know, I want to say, let's just say 300 calories from the egg whites, so that's 900. And this, we got a scoop of this, 120 calories, so we're at 1,020. Did I do that right? Yeah, I think so. 1,020, and then we're not done yet. For like some extra easy calories, this is kind of a cheat. Fats, as you may or may not know, check out my other videos, but fats are like really dense in calories. calories, so you can put an avocado in, like you can slice up an avocado and stick it in there. Or if you want like a flavorless option, if you think avocado's gross in a shake, I've only done it a few times. I don't think I really noticed it, but cheaper version and more tasteless version. Actually, this isn't even avocado. Normally I have avocado oil from Costco, but this was on sale. Olive oil. For 10 milliliters, it's 80 calories. So I just put, I think 10 milliliters is close to like a tablespoon, I think. There's probably someone like laughing at me, Josh, that's totally wrong. But I just put like 3 tablespoons in, 3 tablespoons. So it's, let's just say that's 200 calories. Like this, a lot of this is like being eyeballed. I just know I'm north of 1,000 calories in this, which is pretty awesome. You know, it's eating 1,000 calories of like chicken and sweet potatoes. Like I have so many sweet potatoes. Look how big that sweet potato is. I noticed in Florida the sweet potatoes are really small, and up here in Canada the sweet potatoes are like 3 times the size. Anyways, yeah, it's a lot easier. Like this is not a big shake, so before I blend this all together, you can see, like, yes, that's sure it's like 2 full glasses. Sometimes I even fill it up like closer up to here. So it's basically sitting just below 1 liter, which is a quarter gallon. Which, sure, it's like a lot, but when you consider that's like, with the oil, I mean, we're looking at like 1,200 calories at least. It's north of 1,000. Worst case scenario. And sometimes I'm a daredevil and I'll just blend without the top on, and then like pour ingredients in. As long as it's not frozen berries, it won't splash, at least with my luck. Don't message me if your kitchen gets dirty. But so this is what we're at. That's a liter. Out of that, you mainly taste bananas and strawberries. You don't taste olive. You don't taste egg whites. Maybe a little bit of oats, but just that's the texture. It's like there's you drink it, you don't really chew it, but you can kind of like just feel the oats in there. But again, like there's my hand. It's not very big. It's super easy calories. So whenever I see someone complains about how hard it is to get your calorie intake, I'm gonna send them this video. It took me on camera. It took me 10 minutes to make, but really it's like 4 when I kind of just run through here and don't explain anything. And then yeah, it'll take me like half an hour to drink. I'll sit at my computer and just like work on things, or you know, watch TV or something. I'll just kind of like sip on that, and then as soon as I finish that, I go right to bed. And then basically going to bed on a full stomach. It's bad if you're trying to lose weight, but if you're trying to gain weight like I am, or most people watching this video, it's great. It's really effective. So anyways, that's everything. I'll probably make some more videos, hoping this audio isn't too bad. Probably make some more videos here since we're isolated over the course of this coronavirus thing and quarantine, and told to stay here and not do anything. So other than going to my buddy's gym, this is what I'm up to, just eating and cooking and hanging out. So anyways, any questions, let me know. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Talk to you guys later.